Because we're in a different car park, I decided to make a video of me putting this fan here. This is the second time I've done this, and it's actually quite ideal because it's opening all the windows all the way. It's ideal. It's not ideal. It gets really cold sometimes, but then the wind stops and then it's. So anyway, I had it here a while ago at my window, but the thing is, the wind was coming here, so that wouldn't be ideal because there will be a lot of backdraft and stuff. So this is open, that's open a little bit, and this is tilted. In other words, cracked. Yeah, there it is. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it off. Let's turn it back on. It's branded QT, by the way, if you haven't watched the video off the fan. That you saw there was my mom's friend. She's closing up the car right now. Or whatever she's doing. The hood is still open. But I don't want to get much attention, so I better do this quick. That's my brother's car seat, by the way. Back inside. Yeah. It's my mom's car. I said I can't show the interior of our house much, but I guess I can show the car. Anyway, yeah. Thanks for watching.